Welcome to Car Gear. Today we're reviewing a masterpiece of luxury and performance, the 2025 Genesis G90. If you're looking for sophistication, cutting-edge technology, and power all wrapped in one elegant package, you're in for a treat. Let's dive in. Starting with the exterior, the G90 boasts a sleek and commanding presence. The signature crest grille and futuristic split headlights give it a bold identity on the road. The aerodynamic lines flow seamlessly from front to back, while the 21-inch alloy wheels add a touch of sophistication. And let's not forget the flush door handles that contribute to its clean, modern look. Step inside and you're welcomed by a world of opulence. The cabin is crafted with premium Napa leather, open-pore wood, and soft-touch materials that scream luxury. The ambient lighting sets the perfect mood, and the 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster seamlessly blends with a massive infotainment display. Comfort is prioritized with massaging seats, ample legroom, and advanced noise cancellation, creating a serene environment for both driver and passengers. The tech doesn't stop there. The G90 is loaded with features like a crystal-clear 23-speaker Bang & Olufsen audio system, wireless charging, and a comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. Genesis has truly redefined what it means to drive in comfort and style. But luxury means nothing without performance. Under the hood, the G90 offers a robust 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine that delivers a smooth yet powerful 375 horsepower. The available all-wheel drive system ensures confidence on any road, while the adaptive air suspension provides a cloud-like ride. Acceleration is swift, and cornering is surprisingly agile for a full-size luxury sedan. And now let's talk pricing. The 2025 Genesis G90 starts at around $75,000 for the base model, while the fully loaded trim can climb to about $90,000. For what you're getting, luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology, it's a worthy contender against German rivals. So is the 2025 Genesis G90 the ultimate luxury sedan? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews right here on Car Gear. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.